Keen. Can you put out fire with sound? What if I told you you can extinguish fire using nothing but sound? It's real. And it's called a sonic fire extinguisher. Here's the science. Sound waves are just vibrations of air. At certain frequencies, they can disrupt the combustion process by pushing away oxygen and cooling the flame. Want to try a safe version? Take a small candle and place it in a wind-protected space. Now aim a subwoofer speaker at it, playing a low-frequency sound, around 60 Hz. Slowly increase the volume, and watch the flame flicker and suddenly go out. The physics behind it: sound pressure waves lower the temperature and displace oxygen, breaking the fire triangle: fuel, heat, and oxygen. This idea could lead to clean firefighting tech, especially useful in tight spaces like kitchens or spacecraft, where chemicals aren't ideal. So yeah, sound can fight fire. Proof that sometimes the quietest forces pack the biggest punch.